Hi everyone, it's Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. Welcome to part 7 of our Shine series. This is the last one where we're going to put 1, 2, and 3 to the music. Try to have fun with it. Whatever you do, just have fun. You make a mistake, don't worry about it. Do it again. Practice. Try it. Experiment. Maybe you'll land into doing a different move that you like to do. It doesn't matter. The whole point is that you're learning and having fun. Right now, what we're going to do is play a song and do 1, 2, and 3 to the whole song. Or 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, here we go. Number 2. Number 3. Here we go. Well guys, I personally know I made a slight blunder, but that's okay. You see, it doesn't matter which way I show you to put it in shines. If you take it in blocks of 8, you can put it in any order you want. This is my order. Put it in any order you want, how you feel the music's going, how you feel the music is taking you, and just go ahead and do it. There is no incorrect way of doing your shine because it's yours. You decide what and when how you want to do it. We just like to break it down for you so that you can see that you can take a basic shine and step it up a little bit by adding a few extra different details or different sequences. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and comment below. Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.